This smoothie bowl is for those healthy summer breakfasts that will make you feel like you're vacaying on a tropical island. First, you need some frozen fruit, and I'm using some frozen bananas.
I freeze 4 small bananas per smoothie bowl.
This is optional, but I'm also using some frozen pineapple.
You can use any yellow frozen fruit that will taste good with mangoes, like peaches.
And now some fresh mango is going to go in with the frozen fruit.
Cut up 2 mangoes for 1 large smoothie bowl.
Now I'm going to scoop the flesh of the mango into the blender with the rest of the fruit.
You can even use frozen mangoes in this. Just make sure at least 50% of your ingredients are frozen.
I've got some delicious local wild honey that I really want to add to this for extra sweetness and nutrition.
All you need is a drizzle, since the fruit is already sweet.
And that's all you need, fruit, and we're ready to blend. My favourite part, time to assemble the smoothie bowl.
Slice a whole banana for the topping. Lay the slices on one edge of the bowl.
Now I'm going to add some of my homemade granola. Comment if you want to know how I make my gluten-free, keto-friendly granola.
My nutty, buttery cinnamon granola adds a toasty crunch.
Now I'm adding some basil seeds for some extra fibre.
Check out my video on basil seeds to find out more about this superfood. I like to sprinkle some desiccated coconut over the granola.
And that's my bangin' mango smoothie bowl.